Your body is designed to run on two fuel sources. Problem is, most people have only ever used one their entire life. It's like owning a hybrid car but never switching off gasoline mode. Today, I'm going to show you what happens when you flip that switch for the first time in years. And fair warning, your body is going to freak out, in the best way possible. Okay, so let's say you finish dinner at 8 p.m. and decide, I'm not eating again until noon tomorrow. That's 16 hours. Most people think this is crazy. You'll starve, your metabolism will crash, you'll lose all your muscle. Here's the truth. Your body was literally built for this. For 99% of human history, we didn't have fridges, drive-thrus, or late-night snacks. Our ancestors would go 16, 20, sometimes 48 hours without food, and they were fine. Actually, they were better than fine. They were sharper, faster, and stronger during those fasting periods, because evolution designed us to hunt better when we're hungry, not worse. So let's walk through exactly what happens hour by hour when you stop eating for 16 hours.
For the first 4 hours after your last meal, nothing interesting happens. You're just digesting. Your stomach is breaking down that chicken and rice. Your pancreas is pumping out insulin to move sugar into your cells. Your body is running on fresh fuel, like a car that just left the gas station. Easy, comfortable, boring. During this phase, your fat cells are locked, completely sealed shut. Why? Because insulin is still high. And when insulin is high, your body is in storage mode, not burning mode. It's like trying to withdraw money from a bank vault while the manager is standing there saying, nope, we're closed. You're fat, it's not going anywhere yet. Around hour 6, things start to change. Your blood sugar is dropping, the easy fuel from your meal is gone. Your body looks around and goes, okay, where's the next meal? And you're like, there isn't one. Your body panics a little. It sends out ghrelin, the hunger hormone. This is that growling stomach, that I need food now feeling. But here's the thing, this isn't starvation. This is just your body being dramatic because it's used to eating every few hours like a spoiled toddler. If you push through this moment, and it's literally just a moment, something incredible happens. Your hunger disappears. Why? Because your body realizes, oh wait, we have a backup generator. Let me turn that on. Between hour 8 and 12, your liver starts cracking open its emergency stash, glycogen. Glycogen is stored sugar, kind of like your body's savings account. It's got enough in there to keep you running for about 12 to 16 hours, depending on how active you are. But here's where it gets really interesting. Around hour 12, that glycogen account starts running low. And when it does, your body makes a huge decision. It looks at your fat cells and says, all right, time to open the vault. Insulin, the gatekeeper, finally drops low enough that fat cells unlock. For the first time in hours, maybe days if you've been snacking constantly, your body starts burning its own fat for fuel. Not the fat from your meal, not stored sugar, your fat, the stuff you've been trying to get rid of for years. And guess what? You have tens of thousands of calories stored as body fat, even if you're lean. That's enough energy to power you for weeks. Your body isn't starving. It's finally using the fuel it's been saving this whole time. This is where people report something wild. Around hour 14, 15, 16, they feel better, not weaker, not starving, better. Why? Because your liver is now producing ketones. Ketones are like premium fuel for your brain. They burn cleaner than sugar, produce less waste, and give you steady, focused energy. No crashes, no brain fog, just clarity. This is why intermittent fasters say things like, I'm more productive in the morning now, or my focus is insane. It's not willpower, it's biology. Your brain is running on rocket fuel instead of gasoline. And here's the bonus. Around hour 16, your body quietly starts a process called autophagy. Think of it like your cells taking out the trash. They start recycling damaged proteins, cleaning out junk, and repairing themselves. This is anti-aging at the cellular level. Your body is literally renewing itself while you're just not eating.
Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. The first time you try 16-hour fasting, it's gonna feel weird. You might get headaches, you might feel shaky, you might get really hangry around hour 10. But that's not your body failing, that's your body learning. It spent years running on constant food. It forgot how to flip the switch to fat burning mode. Give it a week or two and it remembers. The hunger fades, the energy stabilizes, and you start to feel like you unlocked a cheat code. One warning though, if you break your fast with junk like a giant sugary coffee and a donut, you're gonna crash hard because your body just spent 16 hours becoming super sensitive to insulin. When you flood it with sugar, it overreacts. You'll feel terrible. Instead, start with protein. Eggs, chicken, salmon, then add healthy fats, avocado, nuts, olive oil, then add your carbs if you want them. Your body will thank you. So here's the bottom line. Skipping breakfast for 16 hours isn't starvation. It's not dangerous. It's not going to destroy your metabolism. It's just your body remembering how to do what it was designed to do. Run on 2 fuel sources, not just one. If you want to try it, start slow. Push breakfast back by an hour, then 2, then skip it entirely. Your body will adapt, and when it does, you might never go back. If this made you rethink everything you thought you knew about eating, hit subscribe, because next week we're diving into what happens when you go 24 hours. And trust me, it gets even weirder. See you then.